Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. This is the Bitcoin weekly analysis and daily analysis for today, Monday, 9th of September of 2024. Well, let's just last week about we're talking about the weekly. This is the weekly chart, and last week we were in this point, and we say this huge candle create a bigger chance to have another bigger candle to the downside because it's continuation. And we draw this order block here that is in the weekly time frame, and Bitcoin need to respect that to being bearish, to continue being bearish, and it happened. Bitcoin goes up a little bit and then goes down and dump and respect this order block. So that was a pretty clear sign that after this rejection, that Bitcoin will continue being bearish the rest of the week. And here we have a two-zone market. First one was the midpoint of the week of the week of 5th of August. This huge week, the midpoint, that zone need to be respected. Bitcoin pass through and bounce immediately and respect this zone. So this is a good sign. And we have this that is in the monthly time frame. We'll see. We'll check the monthly time frame too. The monthly time frame. The idea is Bitcoin need to close above this. Hopefully, more close than this place, or better here, but I don't think it's very likely. But I at least close above this line in the monthly time frame to continue being bullish. But in the weekly time frame, it become pierce these both zones and come up a little bit. So what is the deal for this week? This week, I think we will continue going down, but Bitcoin need to respect this. So what is the deal? It's possible that Bitcoin today, Monday, and tomorrow, Tuesday, and even Wednesday, continue going down. Pierce this low, pass through a little bit, and then bounce and close around this zone, around the open just opened a few minutes ago. And I think that could be a very good move for Bitcoin. Pass through this zone again, pierce this low, and close around the same zone. And in the next week, starting to grind up. But for now, I think the weekly time frame is kind of neutral, because if we were super bearish, Bitcoin should have closed below these two lines, and didn't happen, close around here. So that makes Bitcoin a little less bearish. So for now, this week, I think it could happen this movement. And one thing too is this week is already used. So this week is already used. So we will calculate the next one for this candle, 675.2. This is the new one. So Bitcoin, if Bitcoin close above this line, sorry, the magnet, above this line, and maybe pierce this low and bounce very quick and close the weekly time frame around this zone, that could be very bullish. So what I am expecting for this week, I'm expecting that I don't expect Bitcoin continue to go up immediately. I'm expecting a little more downside. Maybe in the worst case, pierce this low, but I think it will touch at least this zone again, and it will close here the week, or better, above the midpoint of this huge candle. What is the midpoint of this huge candle? Because this is important too. Let me use the magnet because we can be very specific. Midpoint of this huge candle is 150.4. If Bitcoin close the weekly candle above this red line, that is the midpoint of this huge candle, that is overlapped with the midpoint of this fair value gap, that could be super bullish, super bullish. Better if it touch this point today, Monday, or tomorrow, Tuesday, and then goes up and close above this line. That will be super, super bullish for Bitcoin. I don't think it could happen this week, but at least I think it could go here and close around here, and then the next week starting to going up, and the next week the going up very more steady, because now it's just going up, down, out, down, up, down. It's basically going sideways and retracing a little bit, but with not too much strength, just very laggy. I think this was the low for this cycle, for this retracement that start here. So I think Bitcoin could do this during the next weeks in the worst case. But I think my main scenario for now is that, like I said before. So now moving to the daily time frame, Bitcoin just entered in this fair value gap. That is a super important zone. It touched the midpoint, was rejected, but it closed inside the fair value gap. This is very important, guys. It closed inside, and that means something. If it closes inside, it means that at least it had some strength to continue going up. So in the daily time frame, Bitcoin need to close above this line, over the high part of the upper part of this fair value gap. Need to close above this. But I think that could happen tomorrow, that Bitcoin could go up a little bit, close around the midpoint, then Tuesday go up a little bit, then Wednesday go down. It depends of so much variables, but for now, it's very clear to me that Bitcoin was rejected in the midpoint, but get the rejection in the midpoint is bearish. Get a close inside the fair value gap is a little bullish, so it's kind of neutral. We need to see what's happened. If Bitcoin managed to close the daily candle above the high of the Sunday, that could be bullish, and the Tuesday need to close here at least to continue being bullish, or it can be rejected and going to this part that we were talking about in the weekly time frame. So for now, continue being bullish. Hopefully Bitcoin close above the high of Sunday, and if not, if pierce and continue down, we will expect these zones to be taken before continue going up the next week. This week is very important because we have an expiration of option contracts, so we will have a lot of volatility. So for now, I don't expect Bitcoin just go up in the next 2 days like crazy. Just I think we need a little more sideways. So this is my scenario for today, guys. Upside, and hopefully Bitcoin closing above this. If Bitcoin doesn't close above this line and close around here or here, or leave a huge wick to the upside and come down and close below the midpoint of this fair value gap, that is bearish. That mean that the next days, of course, we will take this and this. Okay, guys, this is the analysis for today's. I hope you like it. If you want, you can subscribe, give us a like, and share it with your friends. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye.